guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a stationery haul for class 10th. In this video I'll be showing you all cute and affordable stationery that is going to be with you for the entire year to help you top your board exams. So without wasting any time, let us begin. So first of all, I have this planner, okay, and I use this planner to write down my to-do list and everything, and it's basically divided into the days of the week, so it's like very easy to stay organized with. And my friend gave me this planner. It's from Mr. DIY and it's also very affordable. I think it's 120 something. So I recommend that you all also get like a planner to write down your to-do list and stuff, because it helps you stay organized. And if you don't want to get a planner, you can just use an old notebook as a planner, because I've done that multiple times before. Now let me show you my pencil pouches. So I usually prefer not to have anything too fancy, so I have these World One pouches, and they're very affordable. And like board exams के लिए we require a clear pouch, so that is why I got these clear ones as well. Basically इसका ये जो पेपर वाला पीस है निकल जाता है, so it's basically like a simple pouch which you can carry to your board exam. And this is like my सबसे ज़्यादा recommended वाला pouch, because like it's clear and it's very affordable. Like this is just 50 rupees. So I got two of these क्योंकि like I know कि साल के end तक मतलब एक ना एक तो मैं ख़राब कर ही दूँगी, इसलिए I got two of these pouches. And this one is from 9th grade. Like I already have this. This is also from World One, and this is like a jute pouch. So this is not transparent, but it's very cute. So I have a scale इसमें, and ये scale बहुत गंदा हो चुका है. And I have a pen, and ये रेनॉल्ड्स का पेन है, and मैंने और ज़्यादा रेनॉल्ड्स के पेन लिए ताकि लाइक ख़त्म ना हो. And I have two pencils, एक पेंसिल यूज़ नहीं है. And ये न्यू स्केल है जो मैंने रखा था अपने मैथ्स एग्जाम के लिए, so it's still here. This is like a clear scale. And I also have an eraser. So this was like my 9th का pouch, and ये as it is पड़ा हुआ है. Like जब मैं फाइनल एग्जाम से आई थी तो उसके बाद मैंने इसको टच नहीं किया. So this was what I kept in it. Now let me move on to the next thing that we have. So I got myself some post-its. अब देखो, जब मैं मार्केट में गई थी ना, ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने लोकल मार्केट से लिए हैं, तो ये मेरे को लाइक पोस्ट-इट कंपनी के पोस्ट-इट्स वहाँ पर मिले ही नहीं. सो ये प्लान फिक्स कंपनी के पोस्ट-इट्स लिए हैं मैंने. आई डोंट नो हाउ देयर लाइक, बट आई मीन आई थिंक अच्छे ही होंगे. इस पर MRP लिखी है 60, बट आई गॉट देम फॉर 45 रुपीज़, विच आई थिंक इज़ अ प्रिटी गुड डील. खोल नहीं रहा. ओके, सो हेयर आर द पोस्ट-इट्स. ये सारे कलर में हैं, एंड आई रियली वांटेड लाइक कलरफुल वाले, बिकॉज दे लुक सो अडोरेबल. पास्टल कलर्स के मिल जाते तो मैं वो ले लेती, बट वो नहीं मिले. सो इट्स ओके, विल वर्क विद दीज आर द क्लासिक post-its, so I like them. ये अंदर घुस भी नहीं रहा है अब, so let's just keep it like that only. Okay, so like let's just get rid of this plastic, because like ये फट ही गया, तो ऐसे ही रख लेते हैं इसको. नेक्स्ट थिंग वी हैव इज हाईलाइटर्स. मेरे जो भी हाईलाइटर्स थे वो सारे ख़त्म हो गए, सो आई ऑब्वियसली हैड टू गेट न्यू हाईलाइटर्स. लाइक 10th में को अपने प्रॉपर सुंदर नोट्स बनाने हैं, एंड लाइक आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मार्किंग्स ऑन माई बुक्स एंड स्टफ. So for that we need highlighters. So I got this Faber-Castell के pastel highlighters, and basically इस पे MRP is 130 rupees, but I think I got them for 110 rupees at my local market. So like ऐसे डिस्काउंट तो मिल ही जाता है तुमको. So I think these are the most affordable markers that I could find. And like मतलब pastel shades में अगर तुम्हें like ये classic colors में चाहिए, like neon होते हैं, then you can get them for cheap. But like pastel highlighters are generally expensive, but like I got them for pretty cheap. So like it's a good deal. And these are all the colors that I have. Okay, my personal favorite is this one, because like this is like such a pretty shade of blue, but like I love all of them because like I love these colors. And I'm glad it doesn't have a yellow, because I have too many yellow highlighters. Like I don't even like them at this point. I like these better, because I mean I need my book to look cute, you know. Like I don't know, it just is what it is. I'm able to focus better if I have cute stationery. And it's not like ये बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. It's just it costs like normal stationery, but like it's cute if you ask me. And I used these markers before also, and like तभी they help me a lot. I use them like मेरे like fictional book की markings के लिए भी. तो yes, the next thing that we have, बंद भी नहीं हो रहा यार. Okay, हो गया. The next thing that we have is these Apsara की pencils. मेरे घर पे सारी pencils खत्म हो गई थी, so I got these Apsara Platinum Extra Dark pencils, and इसमें I think 20 pencils होती हैं. And yeah, there are 10 pencils. There is a sharpener and a eraser. I did not even know that. But yeah, there are 10 pencils. And इस पे इसकी MRP लिखी है 60, but I think मेरे को 40 रुपीज़ का पड़ गया था. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट ये रेनॉल्ड्स के पेन का बॉक्स, जिसके अंदर आई थिंक 20 पेन्स हैं. सो ऐसे लाइक पैकेट में है. सो ये वही रेनॉल्ड्स वाला पेन मैंने भी दिखाया था. एंड ये पेन लाइक मेरे को बहुत लाइक सूट करता है, वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद द ग्रिप एंड स्टफ. इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल. आई गॉट 20 पेन्स फॉर इस पे MRP आई डोंट थिंक लिखा है. आई कांट रियली फाइंड इट, बट आई थिंक one pen is 15 rupees. So yes, this is pretty affordable. I think 20 was like 120 or something, because like वो discount हो जाता है. Okay, so the next thing that we got here is our registers. So I got a bunch of these. ये registers I don't know कौन सी company के हैं, but like I got 2 of these because like first of all they're really big, so like I can use them for maths का rough work and stuff, and like for proper like note making I got ये classmate के registers. ये सारे spiral हैं and they all have 400 pages each. I think this was 130 and these were 100. So like हमें discount मिल गया था इन सब पे, so that was good. So classmate के 4 registers लिए हैं मैंने अपने notes बनाने के लिए, because I need my notes to be organized in separate notebooks. And these 2 are for maths mainly, because like maths के लिए you need a lot of space, but like I can do maths anywhere. So I'm thinking to use one for some other subject, but like I'll see how that works. Now the next thing that I have are these Pastel Doms brush pens. Once again, like I love pastel colors and these are like the beautiful colors. मतलब I really love these colors. And once again this was very affordable. यहाँ पर एक blender pen भी आता है. I don't know what you use that for, but like it's there. This was 200 and I think it 200 का ही पड़ा था. As I said, pastel colors are like generally more expensive because they're, you know, like aesthetic. So I got this for 200. And then I have normal Faber-Castell के pens. These are वही like जो हम बचपन में use करते हैं, वही like ऐसे चार में जुड़ जाते हैं. Normal connector pens. And I got this for 90 rupees. I think I got this for 80 after discount. So that was it. And yes guys, that is it for today's video. This was my little stationery haul, and these are all the stationery that I'll be using for class 10. And I recommend that you get these only because like they're one of the most affordable things that I could find on the internet. And I got them on my local market, not from Amazon वगैरह, like because like हमें अपनी local markets पे और ज़्यादा discount मिल जाता है. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Subscribe and get your notifications on, क्योंकि मैं एक और वीडियो डालूंगी about the books that I'll be using for class 10th. So that will be a very helpful video for you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed. That's it for this one guys. Bye bye.